So it pulled back 192.70 all the way down to 192.57. Nice job. Quick scalps in there. You guys already know if I scalp this, as soon as I see this candle stop, I'm out. You already know that. Everybody knows that rule with mine, right? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yep. As soon as that candle stops, because I want to catch that gamma. This is a gamma candle. As soon as it stops, I'm out. Because then I can always look at a re-entry. Comes back up, retest, boom, I'll hit it again. Stops right here, pulls down. As soon as it stops, over and over and over and over and over until it breaks to this upside. Boom, then I'm out of that put. Bang, I'm in that call. Have my stop below it. So on and so forth, over and over and over and over and over and over. Oh, what do you know? Apple found support on what?
VWAP.
Thank you.
VWAP.
So guess what? Apple is now back up to 192.70 again. And for those of you that are new, the more times this touches, that's right, eventually it's going to keep touching, break. This is why, because now we're on a triple top. This is a triple top. It's getting more and more dangerous on our puts. This was a long buyer's candle. Found support on VWAP. So now I would just sit here, right here, and wait. Let it show me. If this is going to pull, I buy the puts. If it's going to break, I buy the calls. My stop is just above or just below the opposite of what I said, right? So if it's a call, the stop's below. If it's a put, the stop's above. When in doubt, what else could you do here, everybody? What have I trained you on? When in doubt.
Straddle.
Yep. Right here, we put a straddle at 192.70. So right now we'd have a put and a call. And whichever one it decides, because guess what? If it breaks and holds above 70, kill the put. If it drops back down, flushes below this previous body's candle, kill the call. Right? Make your money because it has shown you what it wants to do. When in doubt, straddle. Thank you. Come on, break it. Don't sit here. This is still not a break and hold. Can you see it? This is not a break and hold yet.
Yeah, not yet. It's trying.
Oh, but coach, it popped through. I don't care. It's not a break and hold. BNED, though, you're right, did hit a new high day a couple of minutes ago. 4 minutes ago. It's testing it again. Hot stock pick, BNED. Testing for new high a day right here. Still waiting on Apple. Still undecided. BNED getting a lot of volume over there. SPY bounced off of VWAP again. That is support. Apple still undecided. BNED.
Meta's on a double top.
Hot stock pick. BNED on this small double top pullback. Waiting. It hit its support at $1.15.8 right here and then bounced. Super micro channel going on. Apple staying up tall. That's bullish. That's bullish right there. You see these candles? All
Yep.
staying up nice and tall. So still though, even though, right, you get a big seller in here to dump, you'd have your stop right down here. Everybody see this? Because it break this previous level. Okay, right here, if this candle gets higher than the previous body and stays right there, that is your break and hold. Everybody see this?
Yes, coach.
You got to wait. This right here, let's see.
Meta is doing exactly the same thing, by the way.
Thank you. Yeah, SPY also trying to get some move. This is still not a break and hold on Apple. But coach, it's through and there's a second candle. I don't care. I want this body to be higher than this. It's all up in our fields. Right there, boom, I'm in it. I'm in it. This is now a long call with a stop right here. This is good. I like it. Put my stop down here because we still need to protect ourselves. But this is a break and hold. There you go. But does everybody see the difference? Oh, here it comes. Look at that pullback, 192.82. Remember, though, my stop's down here. This is where my stop is because it couldn't hold. So it's out. And again, if it breaks below 192.70, and holds, break and hold, break and hold. Remember, break and hold again.
Coach, from previous history, we had 192.60 that we can use as support for now.
Okay, good. Thank you. Yeah, which makes sense. That's exactly where I set my stop. See this candle wick? That's nice. Look at that, David. We are in sync, brother. See it?
And Coach, just to clarify, everything we just did was all in the 1 minute because you're scalping, correct?
That is correct. Good call. Yep. Yep. Yeah, if we were in a 2 minute, this whole thing would look different. Let me look. Yeah, I mean, these levels would still matter. But remember, on this 2 minute EWO, we got in at the entry, which was
So we broke under VWAP, so we would have gotten out and then
That's
get
correct.
back in when we held over VWAP the second time.
Yep, that's correct. So this would have been the move, but because we were at VWAP, would have been too dangerous. So we could have waited till the break where it went up here, but then it pulled back. We would have been out. So this was a lot of chop. And remember, we don't like to trade in that VWAP range, right? We don't want to sit there on this critical level. And you guys can see why we don't do that, because it went up and then down and then up, right? So we needed these clear, definitive areas. And again, don't try to force this trade. Don't force this trade. There's other trades going on, right? There's other things happening. So don't force the trade.